Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this episode, we're going to be working on the AC again. So in the last episode, I never told you whether or not the AC ended up working. I don't believe it's working. The air coming out of the vents is pretty much the same temperature as what it is if I rolled the windows down. So in that episode, obviously I bypassed the heater core, thinking maybe the heater core was causing too much heat to get into the cab, into the box inside the cab for the AC/heat. So bypassing that didn't work. I'm not getting residual heat from the heater core anymore, obviously, because it's not having coolant plumbed to it. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the Chevelle up the driveway a little bit, and then I'll show you what I'm working with. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got the Chevelle pulled up the driveway. It's warmed up real good. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the air on. Go to max. I don't know if you can hear the compressor kick on, but it does kick on. So obviously I just turned this on. I don't expect it to be like freezing cold or anything. I'd put it at lukewarm at best. It's probably about 90 degrees out, so maybe this air is 85 degrees. I mean, it feels cooler than atmosphere. I'd call it that. But so what's happening is my compressor's running. Yes, right now it sounds like crap. So compressor's running. This side's getting hot, whereas this side's staying, I don't know, just lukewarm, whatever the temperature was before I started. It's not cold. So I don't know a whole lot about these older AC systems at all. I just know my compressor's running. I am showing on the bulb here that stuff's running through. And then this line is just normal temperature, whatever the outside air ambient temperature is. But this line down here after the valve is nice and cold. That's cold. This is, I'm not going to say it's cold, but it's not hot either. It's just ambient. This one's ambient, but again, it's been running for a little bit. My AC in here is still warm at best. Give it a little rev, get it to spin faster, and that changes absolutely nothing. So with it running on the highway, it doesn't get any cooler. It actually seems to get warmer. Like I said, I bypassed the heater core. I tried to flap this back and forth a few times. I can actually hear it actuating, and from hot to cold. So I don't think it's my door to select hot or cold. I did notice up in the cowl section there was another actuator up there, like a vacuum actuated door up there, which had broken off. So I've tried it closed, I've tried it open with no effect to make it hotter or colder. So again, like I said, I don't really know a whole lot about these older systems. I do know the compressor's kicking on. I am getting freon cycling through the system, and I know this is a I don't remember what it's called. It's some type of valve, and basically if this fails, then this line's not going to get cold at all. This line is getting nice and cold. I'd say it's probably around 60 degrees, but however up here it's just staying kind of lukewarm. Now I know this valve here from my research is to keep the evaporator from frosting up, freezing over. So maybe I have an issue here where it's not opening up. I don't know. So if you guys could help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'd really like to get this working before Power Tour. Obviously Power Tour is in August, so it's just going to get hotter as the months go by. So I appreciate if anybody can chime in, drop a comment, maybe suggest some things. I did check the Freon levels. I haven't checked the high side. I do know the low side's showing, I think it was 30-40 psi on it. I don't really remember, but I know it has Freon in it. So again, if you guys could help me out, drop a suggestion in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate it because I'd really like to get this working. So thanks guys for tuning in, thanks for subscribing, and thank you for dropping comments. I appreciate everybody. We're up to 93 subscribers now, so I'm gonna cut it here. I appreciate everybody tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.